In the grand tapestry of nature, rodents play a vital, albeit often unwelcome role. These small creatures, often seen as pests, are actually integral to the ecosystem. They help in seed dispersal and serve as prey for many predators, maintaining the balance of nature. These adaptable creatures have thrived alongside humans for millennia, their lives intricately intertwined with our own. From ancient civilizations to modern cities, rodents have found ways to coexist with us, often exploiting the environments we create. From the bustling city streets to the quiet countryside, rodents are our constant companions. They are incredibly versatile, able to survive in a variety of habitats, from urban jungles to rural farmlands. Their ability to adapt to different environments is a testament to their resilience. While we may marvel at their tenacity and resourcefulness, their presence in our homes and gardens is a cause for concern. Rodents can infiltrate our living spaces, seeking food and shelter, and in doing so, they can create significant problems. Rodents are not merely a nuisance, they pose a genuine threat to our health and well-being. They can contaminate food supplies with their droppings and urine, leading to foodborne illnesses. Moreover, they are known carriers of various diseases, some of which can be transmitted to humans. Their ability to spread disease and cause damage to property cannot be underestimated. Rodents have a natural instinct to gnaw, which can lead to significant structural damage. They can chew through electrical wires, posing a fire hazard, and damage insulation, leading to costly repairs. Understanding the seasonal rhythms that govern rodent behavior is paramount in our quest for effective control. Rodents' activities and population dynamics can vary with the seasons, influenced by factors such as temperature, food availability, and breeding cycles. Just as the seasons change, so too do the challenges they present. In autumn, for instance, rodents may seek shelter indoors as temperatures drop, leading to increased encounters with humans. Each season brings its own set of challenges and opportunities for rodent control. By adapting our strategies to match their patterns, we can stay one step ahead in this ongoing battle of wits. Effective rodent control requires a proactive approach, anticipating their movements and behaviors throughout the year. This essay will serve as your guide to the fascinating and sometimes frustrating world of seasonal rodent control. We will explore various methods and techniques, from preventive measures to active interventions, to keep these persistent pests at bay. Together, we will delve into the secrets of their behavior, exploring the strategies that prove most effective throughout the year. By understanding their habits and tendencies, we can develop more targeted and efficient control measures. Remember, knowledge is power, and in the realm of pest control, it is our most potent weapon. Armed with the right information and strategies, we can protect our homes and gardens from the threats posed by these tenacious creatures, ensuring a safer and healthier environment for all. The lives of rodents, like those of many creatures, are governed by the ebb and flow of the seasons. These small mammals have evolved to be highly sensitive to the changes in their environment, allowing them to adapt and thrive in various conditions. Temperature, food availability, and breeding cycles are all influenced by the Earth's yearly journey around the Sun. As the planet tilts and orbits, it brings about the familiar changes in weather and daylight that signal different times of the year. As the seasons change, so too do the behaviors of these adaptable creatures. Rodents are masters of survival, constantly adjusting their habits to make the most of the resources available to them. In spring, as the world awakens from its winter slumber, rodents emerge from their nests, driven by the need to reproduce and replenish their energy reserves. The increasing daylight and warming temperatures signal the start of the breeding season, and rodents take full advantage of the burgeoning food supply. Summer brings an abundance of food and warmth, fueling a population boom and increased activity. During this time, rodents are often seen foraging for food, raising their young and expanding their territories. The long days and plentiful resources make summer an ideal time for growth and reproduction. As the days shorten and temperatures drop, rodents begin their preparations for the lean months ahead. They start to gather and store food, ensuring they have enough supplies to last through the winter. This period of preparation is crucial for their survival, as the harsh conditions of winter can be unforgiving. They seek out warm, sheltered locations to build their nests, often venturing indoors in search of food and refuge from the elements. Homes, barns, and other structures provide the perfect sanctuary for rodents during the cold months, leading to increased encounters with humans. Winter finds them huddled together, conserving energy and relying on their stored caches to survive. The cold weather forces them to stay close to their nests, minimizing their activity to preserve energy. This period of dormancy is essential for their survival, as it allows them to make it through the toughest part of the year. By understanding these seasonal shifts in behavior, we can anticipate their movements and implement targeted control strategies. Knowing when rodents are most likely to seek shelter indoors or when they are actively foraging can help in developing effective prevention and control measures. Recognizing the signs of their presence, such as droppings, gnaw marks, and burrows, is crucial in detecting and addressing infestations before they spiral out of control. Early detection and intervention can prevent significant damage and reduce the risk of disease transmission, making it essential to stay vigilant and proactive in rodent management. Spring, with its promise of new beginnings, brings a surge of activity in the rodent world. As temperatures rise and days lengthen, these creatures awaken from their winter lethargy, driven by the primal urges to reproduce and seek out new territory. This period of heightened activity presents unique challenges for homeowners and gardeners alike. The warmer temperatures and increased rainfall of spring create ideal conditions for plant growth, providing rodents with a readily available food source. This abundance, coupled with the urge to establish territories and build nests, often leads them closer to human habitation. Prevention is key during this critical period. Sealing up any cracks or gaps in the foundation of your home, as well as around windows and doors, is crucial in denying rodents access to the warmth and shelter of your abode. Keeping gardens and yards free of debris and overgrowth eliminates potential nesting sites and makes it more difficult for rodents to establish a foothold. Section 4, Summer's bounty, abundant food, abundant rodents. Summer's warmth and long days usher in a time of plenty for both humans and rodents. Gardens overflow with ripe fruits and vegetables, while fields teem with insects and seeds. This abundance of food fuels a population boom in the rodent world, making summer the peak season for infestations. With ample sustenance readily available, rodents focus their energies on reproduction. Multiple litters are born throughout the summer months, each capable of producing a new generation within weeks. This rapid reproductive cycle can quickly transform a minor nuisance into a full-blown infestation. Maintaining vigilance is crucial during these summer months. Regularly inspect potential entry points, paying close attention to areas where pipes and wires enter the home. Keep garbage securely stored in rodent-proof containers and avoid leaving pet food outdoors, as these can serve as easy meals for hungry rodents. Section 5. Autumn's chill, preparing for the lean months. As the days shorten and the first chill of autumn descends, a sense of urgency grips the rodent world. The crisp air and falling leaves signal the approach of a challenging season, one that demands meticulous preparation and unwavering focus. Instinct drives them to prepare for the coming winter, a time when food becomes scarce and the elements pose a constant threat. This instinctual behavior is a marvel of nature, showcasing the adaptability and resilience of these small creatures. Their focus shifts from reproduction to survival, and their behaviors reflect this change in priorities. The energy once spent on nurturing the next generation is now redirected towards ensuring their own survival through the harsh months ahead. Rodents become increasingly bold in their quest for food and shelter, venturing further from their nests and displaying a remarkable ability to exploit even the smallest openings. Their keen senses and agile bodies allow them to navigate through the most challenging environments in search of sustenance. They begin stockpiling food in hidden caches, their sharp teeth gnawing through wood, plastic, and even metal to reach their prize. These hidden stores are crucial for their survival, providing a lifeline during the barren winter months when food is hard to come by. Autumn is the time to batten down the hatches and reinforce your defenses. As rodents become more desperate, they are more likely to seek refuge in human homes, making it essential to take preventative measures. Seal up any remaining gaps or cracks in your home's exterior, paying particular attention to areas around vents, chimneys, and utility lines. These small openings can serve as entry points for rodents, allowing them to infiltrate your home and cause damage. Trim back vegetation away from the foundation, eliminating potential hiding places and making it easier to spot signs of rodent activity. Overgrown plants and shrubs can provide cover for rodents, making it more difficult to detect their presence until it's too late. Consider installing rodent traps and deterrents around your home to catch any intruders before they can establish a foothold. Regularly check and maintain these traps to ensure they remain effective throughout the season. Inspect and maintain your home's insulation, as rodents often seek out warm, insulated areas to nest. Ensure that your insulation is intact and free from damage to prevent rodents from making themselves at home. Stay vigilant and regularly check for signs of rodent activity, such as droppings, gnaw marks, and nesting materials. Early detection can help you address any issues before they become major problems. By taking these proactive measures, you can protect your home from rodent infestations and ensure a safe, comfortable environment for you and your family during the lean months of winter. Just as rodents prepare meticulously for the winter, so too must we take steps to safeguard our homes. The lean months are a test of survival for all creatures, and with the right preparations, we can weather the storm together.